Guangzhou. The city is known for the very special Canton flair and also for the tallest tower in Asia, the TV Tower. Compared to the mega metropolises Beijing and Shanghai, Guangzhou is the third largest Chinese city and an upcoming trade hub. In 2019, for the first time, CE China is held in Guangzhou. So far, it was held in Shenzhen.
We feel the strong support by the Guangzhou government. Not only that we got the right halls at the right time, what we wished, we feel the support by bringing in new exhibitors from the Guangzhou region from the Greater Bay Area, with new technology companies, with new companies in mobility. And at the end, it's a growing show. And that's the best sign, the best proof that we're on the right time with the right support from Guangzhou.
CE China is the global IFA event. That brings during 3 days the latest technology and first-class industry players to the most vibrant consumer market of the world. This year, CE China connects brands from around the world with Pan-Asian retailers right after IFA Berlin.
A lot of fans, a lot of business partners coming to our booth, touch and test our product, give our feedback. I think it's an amazing experience for us, and I'm sure it will also provide a lot of benefit to our business.
Global brands like Haier and Midea are participating once again, while Sennheiser Meiji take part for the first time.
We heavily invest promoting our brand in China last several years, but it wasn't really successful. But from last year, with partnering with a really good company in China, I think that we have a really good opportunity to increase the brand awareness in China. So that's why I think this CE China could be the beginning of a brand awareness increase.
The successful concept of the IFA Retail University is also taking place again. International brands have the opportunity to present their products and strategies in 20-minute power briefings to retail partners. Among them, the Chinese retail giant Suning.
This year we already launched 20 product categories, and among them over 45 products. We had very strong sales this year. The air conditioner on the wall over there is a very popular product online. We launched it last March and we sold over 600,000 of them till now.
Linking premium brands with important market players and retailers, the expectations of the fair for the future are high.
We want to raise the bar. Means we will bring more German companies to this place, and of course making much more effective use of our IFA Retail University activities.
CE China focuses on bringing together key industry players with their retail partners from local and international markets. In Guangzhou, the heart of China's trade and manufacturing business, this is achieved perfectly.